ora! Welcome to the third lesson in Introductions. Today, we're going to learn to ask and answer the question, where do you live? To ask, where do you live? You can say, Kei hea koe e noho ana. Kei, start sentences that describe where someone or something is currently. Hea means where. Koe means you. E noho ana, translated literally, means sitting. But in this context, it means staying or living. Kei hea koe, by itself, means where are you? Kei hea koe e noho ana means where are you living? Or where do you live? Other ways to ask where do you live are Kei te noho koe ki hea? Or e noho ana koe ki hea? Kei te and e ana are two kinds of present tense. You can see these in more detail in another lesson. So, kei te noho koe and e noho ana koe mean you're staying. The addition of ki hea changes the sentence to where are you staying? Or where do you live? To answer, we replace hea with the country or city and koe with aho or o, which mean I or me. Kei hea koe e noho ana? Where do you live? Kei paina aho e noho ana? I live in Spain. Kei Mexico aho e noho ana? I live in Mexico. Kei te noho koe ki hea? Where do you live? Kei te noho aho ki Italia. I live in Italy. Kei te noho aho ki Wīwī. I live in France. E noho ana koe ki hea? Where do you live? E noho ana aho ki Amerika. I live in America. E noho ana aho ki Piritananui. I live in Great Britain. There you have it. Now you know how to ask and answer the question, where do you live? In Māori. Ka kite!